Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll unbox, review, and tell you guys what I think about the Oneodio Monitor 60 headphones. Inside the headphones box, we have a user manual, carrying case, and 3 cables that are thick, have extra long lengths, and have gold-plated connectors. The first cable is 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable. The second cable is 3.5mm to 3.5mm cable with microphone, and the third cable is 3.5mm to 6.35mm coiled cable. And the headphone. This is a professional studio headphone. These headphones are designed for both recording and mixing. If you work with music or audio production, this headphones will be perfect choice for you. This headphones also great for home use. If you have home studio, this headphones will be great choice. They feel light and are very comfortable, and the ear pads on these headphones are very soft and comfortable, and they sit on the ear. The padding of the headband is very soft as well. The ear cups are rotatable, and you can adjust them pretty wide. The headphones have 3.5mm input, 6.35mm adapter, and 1/4 adapter. The cable is very long, it's 3 meters long. You can plug it, for example, in your mixer or your audio interface or your computer. Also, the cable is really thick, it's very durable, it's made of thick, strong material, so it's very durable. The Oneodio Monitor 60 headphones are designed to deliver a flat frequency response, high sensitivity, wide dynamic range, and extremely low distortion. They feature a 50mm driver with neodymium magnets, and the soft comfortable earmuffs ensure a comfortable listening experience. Oneodio Monitor 60 headphones are ideal for studio recording, mixing, broadcast, live sound, and personal listening. Overall, I'm very happy with these headphones, they sound really good. I highly recommend them.